Ni hao. My name is Maylin Kibral. I'm 45 years old and I'm currently residing Pasig City. I was born on December 4, 1978 and I'm a single mom of 4. I stand 5 feet 4 inches tall and weighing 73 kilos. I was an ex-overseas Filipino worker in Taiwan since December of 2014 till 2023 last year. My jobs and responsibilities there are taking care of grandma and grandpa. I accompany them taking to the hospital and also doing their everyday routine like giving them a massage, cook their food, and also giving them a bath. That was my first employer, and then my second employer was I taking care of a baby since newborn till 2 years old. I also know how to give a baby a bath and cook them food, and also know how to give a formula for the baby. And also I accompany the mom to take the baby to the hospital, and also I know if the baby have a fever, and I know what I'm going to do if the baby having a fever. And my last employer was I do the household chores, like I know also how to cook Chinese food, gardening, and also taking care of pets.